Raise your hand if you have ever landed feeling exhausted, bloated, regretting every clothing choice you made that morning or packed in your suitcase. Today, we're gonna fix that. If this is your first time here, I'm that pilot wife lady here on the YouTube to help you travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. Today, I'm going to go over the different pants styles that I travel with, that I pack, because they cover everything from not being constrictive, feeling almost like I might be in my pajamas, but also being able to dress them up when I need to for special occasions. Let's fly into it. I am breaking down the best travel pants to fly with and to pack on your trip. Everything from the splurge worthy to the bargain $28 pants, so that you have the perfect pair to wear on your trip. Drop an airplane emoji in the comments if you have ever worn the wrong pair of pants on travel day. First, a travel tip, an educational travel tip. Being a former teacher, it's just kind of what I have to add into almost every video. Circulation matters when we fly. That is why all of these pants that I'm going to show you today, perfect for travel. They do not restrict circulation. Remember when we went through the uber tight skinny jean fashion trend, super tight on the legs, or the exercise workout pants that are tight around our ankles and around our waists and everywhere in between? That is going to restrict our blood flow. Any flight over 4 hours, if you can't get up and move around, that is not good for circulation. That is a reason why your travel pants, skirts, anything you wear on the bottom makes a big difference on travel day. Travel pants number one. These are considered possibly a splurge, but so worth it. Why? Elastic waistband, ties that you can cinch up, but you can also tuck them in, not have them show at all. They come in not one, not two, 3 different lengths. So if you are the uber tall to the Smurf size, they have pants for you. Come in multiple colors, and best of all, they have not wrinkled on my trips once. Easy maintenance, perfect to stuff in a suitcase, pull out, wear, go. Tie the ties, or sometimes tuck them in. Perfect length. I have the short version, being 5'3", have pockets if you like pockets, and then either wear it with a vest, or, as we all travel in layers, or at least I travel in layers, put a jacket with it, cardigan sweater, pullover sweater, almost anything. You can also make it really casual with a t-shirt. Tuck it in on the side there if you want to kind of give a little style to the t-shirt, and then add a layer. Voila, ready to travel. Comfortable, easy, non-wrinkle pants, loose for the circulation, but still look good on travel day, vacation day. The barrel leg pants and jeans are having a moment. And depending on the kind that you get, they can be really barrel-y or a little understated barrel. These, the next ones, elastic waists, which are always great because if you're not a huge water drinker, which you should be on flights, just saying, or if you eat onboard meals, lots of sodium, all of that contributes to bloating. More stretchable, more comfortable. Pockets. This is like a middle of the road type pants as far as budget wise. These are, I want to say they're under $30. Also come in different lengths, different colors, easy to style. Style up and style down. Let me show you. Very casual look. Hits above the ankle. So these are great for those of us that may not like to wear shorts all that often. Super thin, lightweight. So they're going to keep us cool on travel day as well as on the vacation. Get that airflow in there. Go with simple white t-shirt. Again, tuck it in on the side if you want a little bit of different styling and not just straight across. Add in jewelry, scarf, or throw in a sweater. over the shoulder, something different. Pant style number 2. Don't discount the barrel pant just yet. It does work. And think about sitting on those long flights, plenty of space here, all the way up the leg, elastic waist when you get up and walk to get the circulation. Or another thing I do sometimes, say if I'm in the middle seat or next to the window, is just doing in-seat stretches. And it's mainly you're circulating those ankles, circulating the legs, which I know the seats are getting cozier, but you can still manage to get some of those movements in where you can get some blood flow and circulation if you're not able to get up every 3 to 4 hours and move around. It's just trying to move those body parts, like a little seat dance. Put in your AirPods, do a little dance. Bottom number 3 are blue jeans. Blue jeans are versatile in every way, but when we went through that uber skinny phase of blue jeans where it was tight from the waist down to the ankles, not great for travel when you're flying especially. I have blue jeans, all mine that I wear on travel day and mostly touring around on our vacations are a couple different pairs. One would be my boyfriend cut jeans, so it's the name for them, but basically from the waist down to the ankle, there is no tightness. They're just a loose feel. And then ones that, depending on the brand, if they come a little tighter in my regular size, I'll size up one size. It's just enough where if I wanted to wear a belt, I could, and they sit a little higher on the hips. But if I don't want to wear a belt, if everything's untucked, I don't have to, and they'll just sit on my hips because I'm a little hippie. I can wear either way, very versatile, love these. Bit of a splurge for the brands that I have. This pair is, I don't know, probably 5 years old by now. Is it still in style? Not sure, but it's my kind of style. And that's what all of these tips and things to show you is your kind of style to adapt it to, but still be comfortable on travel day and every day in between for vacation. And now we're getting to sweatpants, but they don't look like sweatpants. The terry cloth jeans feel like sweatpants, but look like blue jeans. Perfectly wide, no restriction there. And they have pockets, belt loops, zip, and a button. But on the back, it's just the faux pockets, not real, but feel dreamy, like you're sitting in a pair of pajama pants. You're not wearing pajama pants. These are a bit of a splurge for sure. The comfort is just unparalleled of any jeans. Give them a try if that's your style. Travel pants number 4. These are the bargain pair of barrel pants. Little different style where it has more of a finished waistband in the front, elastic, still have our pockets. They fit a little bit different, but they are similar to the Old Navy green pair that I showed you. They are super lightweight. Prefer to stay in pants. These are a perfect fix for that, as well as loose fitting, comfortable, that we can dress up or dress down or in the middle. It covers them all. Let's style these. Styling the black Amazon pair of barrel pants. These sit a little bit longer than the green ones, and they're not quite as, they're classified as a barrel pant, but they have more of a long feel through the whole leg. They're a little different. Can dress it up, pockets. These replicate, you may have seen the pants that have, I think they're the ruti pants that are everywhere right now. Those are, I think, over $200. These are in the $20 to $30 range, and they're a pretty good dupe for those pants. If this is more your budget, still comfortable, still stylish. Dress them back down. Throw on a pair of sneakers, t-shirt, give it a little tuck. You tuck it down in the middle there, and then kind of bring the sides out. It kind of shrinks our waist a little bit. Layer it up because, you know, layers. Sweater over the shoulders or short trench, anything like that. travel pants for every travel day, vacation, every travel budget. Now, are they packable? You don't want to wear them on the flight. All of these, roll them up or fold them up or put them in a packing cube. However you pack, they have been wrinkle-free for me. The only ones that I haven't packed yet, I traveled on travel day, are these green ones. Haven't packed them yet. I'll be trying that out on my next trip. But being that they are thinner, great for spring and summer travel, they're going to pack up. Say you're a roller in next to nothing to pack in your suitcase. So they're going to hardly take up any space. The bottoms that usually take up the most space are the denim. If you're packing more than one pair, wear one on fly day and then pack the other if you are short on space. That way, these all will pack super small and take up very little space in your suitcase, which is another bonus of these travel bottoms that I showed you here today. That is all we have for the bottoms on this travel hack, travel tip, travel packing, travel style, however I'm going to end up titling this. I am that pilot wife lady here every week on the YouTube, sharing all things travel so that you can travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. I'll be back here next week. I think I may be planning either the tops portion of different shirts and things to pack on a trip, or I got a suggestion from a viewer last week that asked for Alaskan Cruise packing tips. And since those ships are going to be docking soon in Seattle and heading that way, it depends. Show up next week and you'll find out. Happy travels. Let's fly into it. That was more like the Hawaiian hello. Let's try that again. Beat. Get your words out. It makes me speechless, I guess.